Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited because I'm doing a beauty photo shoot for my makeup portfolio. So even though I've been doing makeup a long time, I still test shoot all the time because I always want to have new work in my book. Over on my makeup group on Facebook, there's been a lot of talk about makeup artists doing photography, and I've started my photography for my makeup a few years back now, and it's honestly been one of the best things I've ever done. I just absolutely love it. It gives me so much freedom over my work. I've actually got a blog post on my website I'll link up into this video so you can see that as well. But I just thought while I'm waiting for my model and having my coffee, my favourite mug, I will show you my little setup. So what I'll do is I'll just switch the camera around and then I'll be able to show you what equipment I use. It's nothing expensive, it's just basic stuff. I don't spend a lot of money on my equipment, and you don't really need to when you're starting out. I'll show you some of the results I've got from using this exact setup. I'll pop some pictures up for you to have a look at. But yeah, I'll see you in a sec guys. Bye. Okay, so this is the room I do my teaching in, makeup lessons, professional makeup lessons, all that kind of thing. And this is my little setup today. So this is my mood board I've got here, and I've got some notes here for a couple of filming bits I want to do as well. These are, well, it's good to have the good daylight here, but the windows are awful, and as soon as we've got double glazing fitted, I can decorate and do a lot more with this room. But it's pretty good for now. It's a decent size. You don't need a massive room to do your shooting, and you don't even need a backdrop. I mean, this is pretty new, this purple backdrop. You could just, which is why I've got white walls, so I can just use the walls if I want to. So lighting, just a couple of soft boxes. I'll probably put a white cover over this when the model arrives. So basically I've got my key light here, which has got 4 bulbs in, so that's my main light. I use that one all the time. And then this smaller one I'll use to highlight the background, or if I need it, I'll use it to highlight the model's, like the back of her head or the side of her face, depending on the sort of look that we're doing. Now this stand, it is a little bit wobbly, so what I've done is I've got these bags and they've got weights in, and it just holds the stand down and keeps everything nice and steady, so that's pretty easy to do. You can use any backdrops on these. I've got a purple, a white and a black. I just keep it nice and simple. Obviously I don't want too busy of a background because the model is my main subject, so I'll keep that simple, but a bit of colour is quite nice. Just a stool for the model to sit on there, and just a reflector as well in case I need to bounce any shadows from underneath her chin. I've just got an extension lead here with the lights plugged into, nothing, I haven't got anything too expensive. And that's basically the setup there, so you can see the 2 lights and the backdrop. Pretty simple stuff, like I said earlier, nothing too expensive. And again, my camera's not really expensive. My partner got me this, it's a 500D. It's honestly got me some amazing results, and the lens on this is a 50mm portrait lens, which is brilliant for headshots. So I really enjoy using that, and I will post up some pictures so you can see, but it's got me some fantastic results, this little baby. So I'm pretty pleased with that. But over time, I will upgrade the stuff I've got. But for now, I'm getting good results with what I've got, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then this is just my little area where we do our magic. And I think that's it, guys, really. Yeah. So any questions, let me know. I'm just going to pop the camera back round so I can say bye to you all. Hey guys, so that was my very basic setup. You can see there's not loads and loads of fancy lights. I don't do any flashlights or anything like that. It's just basically 2 soft boxes, backdrop, a seat, a reflector. I just keep it nice and simple, and I do keep thinking to myself, oh god, I need to buy more stuff. I should be using this, I should be having that umbrella. But at the end of the day, I'm getting good results using what I've got, so it's to saving me a bit of money in the meantime. And once we get the double glazing fitted, I can kit out my room a bit more, get some new shelving and all that sort of stuff. But for now, it's doing a pretty good job, so I'll keep it as it is. But I hope that's helped. If any of you makeup artists out there want to pick up photography, pop some questions in the comments, because there's a book that I got before I got my camera, and it's absolutely amazing. It's got loads and loads of assessments in, loads of tests, that sort of thing. And I am self-taught. I haven't had any photography lessons, but I would like to have a lesson, a couple of masterclasses maybe in lighting, because there's obviously more like makeup that you can learn. It's a bit never-ending in that respect. So I'll put the link for the book up, the link to my photography blog and the link to my makeup group. And yeah, any questions, just let me know. Happy to help. I mean, I've been doing it a few years now, so I've got quite a bit of experience, so I'll be able to help you with any questions that you've got, hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed my little vlog there, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.